No idea why they put the campsite down there on the side of a hill. Like, that's a really steep, that's a really steep hill for a tent. And then the only bathroom is over here. But there's rooms for rent here. All through this area. It's big pine trees, much bigger than this some areas. All along the road. A very skinny road, hard to pass. Be a difficult place if it was a lot of traffic. These bamboo rafts are really cool. I think the sign says 150 baht for 2 people. But all the tourists are gone right now. I came too late. Beautiful spot though. Be a good place for a picnic or something. But as a campsite, all the reviews I read on the campsite complained about the slope. You can't sleep because you keep sliding out of the tent. And that's a very steep slope. I don't know how you get there. There's a road. Must be a road above this area. All the reviews basically said the same thing. It's a beautiful place, but a terrible place to put a tent. And the sign back there, I thought said no cars allowed in here. I was wrong. 11 pieces of big bamboo. And they sit really high. Pretty cool. They even have life jackets, which is a surprise. Got fish food. Mile marker 0. All through the valleys is really cool little farms. Like postcard type farms. Just that right now most people are just planting. There's the dam. See, that's where you should put the tent. On there, that'd be cool. At least it'd be flat. This would be an awesome place for a canoe. I don't know how far that goes around, but this would be an awesome place for a canoe and a fishing rod. Pretty flowers. It's really cool here in the trees. Coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
This place is popular for fog. In the morning, you get fog on the water. And that's why people come here really early in the morning. Or stay in a tent on the side of the mountains. I didn't know these bungalows were here. I don't know the story on that. Interesting place. But really far from everything. Really far. This is about 5.5 hours at least from Chiang Mai. Almost 3 hours from Pai. Beautiful though. I love the trees. Oh well. I would like to put a tent on a dam. but not over there in the trees on the side of the slope. That's really steep. But don't get that choice. Oh, more places to rent. Ooh.